Hello and welcome. This is a demonstration of the control plan feature developed by ASD Support System, which plays a crucial role in new part development, NPD. It ensures consistent product quality by defining key checkpoints, measurements, and controls across the manufacturing process. Let's walk through how the control plan works in our system. To begin, we start from NPD dashboard in this example for a differential housing. Here, you can see all related documents neatly listed and organized within the project workspace. Now, let's create a control plan document. We've made it easier for the process in charge by interlinking all related documents. When creating a control plan, the system automatically fetches mandatory data from the selected PFMEA. Project level details, part master data. This includes part information, process step descriptions, company, customer details and related fields data. This powerful automation reduces manual effort and ensures accuracy across documents. You can now continue building the control plan with ease. The system even allows you to download a formatted check sheet, displaying data in a clear and structured layout, or create a custom control plan tailored to specific user requirements. We've also added a copy from feature, which lets users reuse data from any previous part number. This feature saves time and reduces human error by eliminating repetitive data entry. Once the control plan is ready, the system supports quality monitoring through incoming, in-process, pre-dispatch quality sheets. This enables end-to-end visibility and consistency in quality control throughout the part development cycle. Beyond standard ERP integration, our system provides dynamic document linking for seamless data flow across PFMEA, process flow, and control plan, autofill of key fields reducing manual input, check sheet downloading for offline use or approvals, historical data reuse via part number-based copy, flexible document customization based on your team's workflow. These features go beyond ERP to deliver true digital transformation in your product development and quality processes. With our control plan module, you gain seamless integration with NPD process flow, reduced manual workload with auto-filled fields, standardized quality control documentation, reuse of past data to save time and improve consistency, a single source of truth for all part development documents. Thank you for watching this demonstration. To explore more or to request a live demo, please feel free to get in touch with us.